1,000 watts up to 1,000 ampere. 12 volts DC will be converted to 230 volts. This is the motherboard. We have two transformer, one transformer. So this transformer connected to the 12 volts. Then with the use of the MOSFET, these are the MOSFET. With the use of the MOSFET, it converts the 12 volts DC, which is the straight line in our graph, into a negative and a positive voltage. So this one is negative voltage, positive voltage. So making this DC to convert into positive and negative voltage, some sort of square wave, positive voltage, negative voltage. We have this bridge type rectifier, full bridge rectifier. There is also a MOSFET. For this MOSFET, it will convert this positive and negative rectangular wave voltage into modified. So the output looks like this with the use of MOSFET, and then this full bridge rectifier.